Things you should know before starting Amazon and Etsy dropshipping in 2024. Amazon dropshipping. 1. Amazon's policies. Familiarize yourself with Amazon's policies, including those on product listing, pricing, and customer service. FBA versus FBM. Understand the difference between fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, and fulfillment by merchant, FBM, and choose the best option for your business. 3. High competition. Be prepared for intense competition on Amazon, especially in popular niches. 4. Product research. Use tools like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, or AMZ Scout to find profitable products with low competition. 5. Supplier selection. Find reliable suppliers that offer competitive pricing and good quality products. 6. Inventory management. Develop a system to manage your inventory levels and avoid overselling. 7. Amazon fees. Understand the fees associated with selling on Amazon, including the individual selling plan fee and the professional selling plan fee. Etsy dropshipping. 1. Etsy's policies. Familiarize yourself with Etsy's policies, including those on product listing, pricing, and customer service. 2. Niche selection. Choose a niche with low competition and high demand. 3. Product research. Use tools like Marmalade or Oberlo to find profitable products with low competition. 4. Supplier selection. Find reliable suppliers that offer competitive pricing and good quality products. 5. Product listing. Optimize your product listings with high-quality images and detailed descriptions. 6. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and maintain positive reviews. 7. Fees. Understand the fees associated with selling on Etsy, including the listing fee and transaction fee.